Science and Transportation Systems and Engineering. Directors and heads of the campuses, chancellors, the vice chancellors, and officials of campuses. The vice president for development and external affairs, Dr. David Mandana Garcia. The vice president for administration and finance, Corina Alberto Mandana. Ladies and gentlemen, the University Ace. The University Ace symbolizes authority and power of the University President. The honor and privilege of chairing the University Ace is given to the Secretary of the University and of the Board of Regents, authority which is in the Science.
Kung tutuusin, kayo dapat nasa gitna at yung mga batang nag-graduate ay dapat nasa gilid. Kapag kayo po ang sentro ng araw na ito habang nagtatapos ang ating mga anak. Binabati namin kayo. On behalf of Batangas State University Administration, we congratulate you, our dear parents, for your success. Binabati din namin kayo dahil ang inyong anak.
Please give a warm round of applause for the graduates of 2025. And an even more round of applause, please, for the parents and guardians of the graduates. Would you now please be seated? To deliver this message to the graduates and to introduce our commencement speaker. We appreciate your patience as we await the arrival of our university officials and the guest of honor and speaker. Kindly be seated.
Wala rin na ano. Meron pa yata may ilang piraso pa.
Yung kayo sa likod, hindi kayo sa harap. Huwag kayo din sa maraming
Ay hindi lamang natanggap sa Batangas State University, kundi nakagraduate din sa Batangas State University. Una po na natanggap Marami po ang nag-a-apply o nagsisisi ng admission sa Batangas State University taon-taon. Katulad ng nakaraang taon, mahigit po 30,000 freshmen or yung magpe-first level o first year ang nag-apply ng admission, ngunit wala pang kalahati ang natanggap. At sa talagang tayo po ay buong kagalakan at pagmalaking sinasabi na ang ating anak ay nag-graduate sa Batangas State University. Ang nag-iisang the National Engineering. Tayo po ang pinakamalaking engineering school sa buong bansa. We have more than 46 engineering, or we have 46 engineering graduates or engineering programs at Batangas State University. Tayo din po ang kaisa-isahang State University na ang kanyang engineering programs ay accredited ng US-based Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology under Wasik Salapor. Ang makailan po, hindi lang naman kamakailan, halos taon-taon. No? Ang ating po mga graduate na kumukuha ng board exam ay lagi po muna sa mechanical engineering. We are at the Province School.
Karandang Bernardine C. Karandang Villarreal L. Castillo Isabel I. Castillo Christian Roy Carl C. Castillo Luigi A. Castomero John Kyren. Klaus Philip P. Como Yesha Marjorie May. Coro John Netter M.
From the Bachelor of Science in Sanitary Engineering. Agoho Denise Nicole O. Aluan Don Lawrence N.
Science in Sanitary Engineering. Agoho Denise Nicole O. Aluan Don Lawrence N. Apari B. Bulusan Jaser U. Kalangi Justina V. Capio Kimberly Denise A. Kaponpon Giselle Ann L. Closa Vanessa S. Corpus Donna Angelica D. De Castro K.N. E. De Claro Mariel C. De Ocampo Princess K.M. Evangelista John Ruby A. Ruelda Jet Angelo C. Indiola Shina Joy I. Lalikan Kate Angela L. Lascano Angeline C. Lilo Janiela B. Liada Evelyn B. Makinto Heidi D. Marasigan Christian D. Masilang Princess Diane L.
Congratulations! Ha? Nabilang mo na? Nabilang mo na ga?
Ay, galing ka sa'yo to?
Tunay guys, ang galing sa'yo. Ay, galing ko.
Okay.
Saan na nilagay mo na itong David?